After sorting out the boat defects at Port Tacola Marina, we anchored off Aonang Beach to catch up with a few friends who were visiting Krabi. On our first evening at Anchorage, we got caught in a bit of a bad weather, but I don't think that deterred us from having fun in the rain.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Port Tacola is just 10 nautical miles away from Aonang Beach. We anchored here as it was easy to pick our friends up by dinghy from the beach.
Okay. Okay. So how are we gonna do this again?
We go back.
We just like lean back.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my god, the GoPro went the other way in the water.
We spent some amazing few days playing in the water and catching up. And just like that, it was time for our friends to head to the next destination. And for us to head to Phuket. We sailed across Phang Nga Bay to Yacht Haven Marina, north of Phuket. Here we needed to get a sail repaired, catch up on Kea's studies, along with some washing and cleaning of the boat. Hopefully explore Phuket too. It's been a really hot few days in the marina here at Phuket, and we try to finish most of our work in the mornings, and for the rest of the days we are indoors finishing work that we had a lot to catch up on. And as Gaurav is making the video, he's editing it, and Kea is doing her studies. So this afternoon is going to be spent on our laptops. Are you done?
It's hot outside.
It's hot outside, yeah. Done with editing?
Almost done.
Almost done? Okay, good. And you're done with your studies? No? What is so funny? Okay, she's laughing because I was trying to suppress a sneeze. I managed it well. Okay. So Kea has just cut a watermelon. It's yellow.
I didn't even realize it was even yellow until I saw it.
So what do you do with the yellow watermelon? Is it edible? Yeah? Do we chuck it?
Hey, don't do that. We cut it
Yeah,
properly.
can you please taste it and tell it if it is safe to eat or not? चेक तो कर लो येलो होना भी चाहिए क्योंकि कुछ बीमार फ्रूट खा रहा
Bimar fruit.
सीरियसली बोल रहा हूँ ना
What is a bimar fruit?
It tastes like watermelon because it looks like
So it's been a good morning. Kea is making some breakfast, and we intend to have some salad of that. Let's see. And then Kea has to study. Okay, enjoy the breakfast. Looks good. Yeah. And is this over? Or you want to add some more stuff?
Adding an egg.
You're adding an egg. Yeah. What are you doing in the kitchen?
what is this?
Kya hua?
I mean this is a grape, tomato. Not making sense. World is not making sense to me. It's all grapes and tomatoes.
It's laundry day on Reeva. Whenever we're in a marina, we take the time out, to get all our laundry done. And most of the time the marinas have a dryer. This one's dryer was not working, so we've hung all our clothes on the boat. Second lot, and it's a bad idea. Looks like the weather is going to go bad. So once every 2 weeks we remove all the carpets and kind of deep clean the whole boat, freshen out the air inside and all, like if it's feeling mucky.
Boat is cleared up mostly. And we're leaving right now from Phuket, Yat Haven Marina. This marina was really cool and I really like the place. This is Thailand. We had chole for lunch. We still miss Indian food. And hello there. What was the accent? What was that?
What is that? Sorry, the torch is in my face.
Torch. Fancy seeing you here. We're gonna leave the marina. I'm very sad. Father.
Yeah, what's this in your ear? Yeah, nobody's.
Oh my god. 2 piercings.
2? Oh my god.
When did that happen?
I don't know.
You just woke up.
I just woke up and I had piercings.
What a naughty you are,
I
no?
had no knowledge of this, by the way.
Again.
What is the first time?
Haircut also.
Haircut, yes.
Okay, wait, let me explain. First was the haircut. Show the camera to me now. First was the haircut. She had no idea. He kind of had a clue, but didn't know I was gonna do it. Then was the piercings. Before we started sailing, we decided, me and Papa decided that we both were gonna get piercings.
I didn't.
You have to show yours.
No.
We found it and we were blind because we didn't see it was right behind us. So we're getting it, yay. Oh, I'm nervous for some reason, are you?
I don't know, man. I've never got it done. So we've come to this fancy place in Phuket to get Kia's ears pierced for one more time. She wanted second piercing, and we had this thing that next time when Kia gets her ear pierced, I will also get one of my ears pierced. So yeah, on popular suggestion, I have decided to go for the conch. Conch is this inside part of the ear, which I'm going to get pierced. She's going to get her upper earlobe, second upper earlobe done.
Yeah. That's just here.
Go. What's up?
Show your ear. No, not the back of your ear. Okay, let me do it.
Sure.
Shabash.
Now to surprise some people at home.
What are you behaving both of you so suspicious for? Huh?
Oh my god, look
Oh
at
my god! What?
Oh, what is that?
What? What did you guys do? Are they real?
Yeah.
So we've sailed out of Yacht Haven Marina.
Heading to Ao Shillong for our visa renewal.
After spending about 5 days at Yacht Haven Marina, we headed to south of Phuket to meet some more friends and hopefully get a month's extension on our visa.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive.
This is absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, the weather's been really good. Evenings have been cloudy and rainy, and seems it's going to rain in a while here, but wow, just look at it. Popular place with the Liveaboards. It's got a restaurant here. I think it's closed, but looks nice.
I feel so alive. As I reach out to